Hi children, we are going to discuss email writing in this video. Writing email is one of the writing discourses in English. It is a short discourse. It is given for 5 marks or less than 5 marks based on the assessment. Let us see what is email writing. An email is a digital message sent by someone to one or more recipients. It is sent through the internet in an instant. Email can be categorized into two types. First one, formal email. Second one, informal email. A formal email can be written to companies, government departments, offices, school principal or teacher. Second one, an informal email can be written to family, relatives and friends. So, what are the fields included in the header of an email message? First one is from, the email address of the sender. It is usually and automatically filled in a particular account by the client, that is by Gmail or email or any other mails. Second one is to, the email address of the recipient of the message. It means you have to write down the email address of the recipient. Third one is CC. It is a carbon copy. This carbon copy adds the email address of another recipient, which some email clients mark differently in recipient box. Fourth one is BCC. What is BCC? It is blind carbon copy. It includes the address added to the recipient list. Fifth one is subject. It is a brief abstract of the topic of the message. Abbreviations like RE, it signifies the reply to the mail, and FW, symbolizing forward the mail. While writing a subject line, keep these points in your mind. The subject line should be short, specific, simple and to the point, important and informative, because recipient sees the subject of the email. And the sixth one is salutation. Do not skip salutation because each email directed towards someone. Address the recipient in a manner that fits the relationship you have with them. Never use a nickname. You can use dear sir, dear ma'am, to whom it may concern. Format is body of the email. It is an important and main point. So, follow a certain pattern while writing the body. Explain why you are writing them. Don't use unnecessary formation. Fourth one is signature. The last word of your email, use thanks, kind regards, sincerely, warmly and so on. Use full name if you are writing to someone for the first time. You can also add contact information. When you write email, you have to follow some do's and don'ts. Let us see do's while writing a formal email. Identify yourself clearly. Write a meaningful and apt subject line. Distinguish between formal and informal situations and write accordingly. Keep the message precise and readable. Use simple sentences. Avoid passive voice. The message should be less complex than formal letters. Use numbers, bullets and paragraphs to make the message clear and easy to understand. Proofread your message to edit errors. These are the things that you should follow while writing a formal email. Let us see don'ts while writing a formal email. Do not write hello or hi as your subject. Do not write about irrelevant issues. Do not give personal information. Do not use different fonts as the recipient's computer may not be compatible. Do not use the capital letters for your whole words as it is considered as shouting in email language. Do not use italics, exclamation marks, etc. as they may be misunderstood. Do not use unusual short forms or acronyms as they may hamper understanding. This is the format that you can see on the e-screen. But writing email is a writing discourse for the students. It means you have to email on the paper but not on your e-screen. So when you email on the paper for the assessment of your writing skills, you must write date, because on the screen the date is automatic, but on the paper you have to write the date for the assessment of your writing discourse. So this is the detailed explanation of the email writing.